take us to the login page. You see here, if you click this thing, it will take you to registration page, and you can register, and it will be sending all details to MySQL database. But I have already saved one password. I'll show you here. 123 and login. So you are in the dashboard. That was the dashboard file was. You can log out, you can go in multiplayer, but I didn't start the server, but I showed you in the video that how to start the server. If the server is started, you can use this multiplayer and it will take you to multiplayer mode, but I have that multiplayer in Heroku loaded as well. And you can press, here is your IDE, and you can press single player, and your single player starts here. If you see, you have a small chat box here. If you just click it, it will ask for your name. Just enter your name there, and okay, and type your message here. It's a single player game, guys, so don't forget that. So I cannot use on a different browser, but so you can see here is the score, and here are the two. This is the just random. Here is, you can just see what's happening. If I can go and play it, look, if I move the car, you can see the car moving in the first scene as well, and the second scene. And if you press B, you will start shooting, and you can hear sound. If you press F, you start flying the paper plane, and if you press R, you press the race, and if you press Y, look, you are able to move the animated character, but it doesn't do anything. Didn't get much time to make him shoot as well, but I tried to make him shoot. If you go on to, if you press Y, you can make it work, but I didn't get much time to make it. If you see, only our car is if you press T again, we go back to our car, and if you see this where is the rabbit and that thing, I'll show you. I made some rabbit, and I'll tell you now. First, this is the teleportal, and if you go into it, and it will change the scene, and you see the sky. I made the sky box with this thing, so that's the sky box. And if you go around, and if you see, the sky is different. Just the height map, so the ground I couldn't find too many places, so I used the same ground file there. So we'll go back, and I'll show you how the height map looks. Again, it will change the scene. It gets slow because too much load on it, and you see the score is increasing as well. If you just press here, you can start moving the object as well, you know. If you just do the refresh, you will see the ground. This is the asset manager. This is the thing, the cool thing I like it's doing. So if you see here, you are able to move this camera with your mouse click, and this camera is shooting. I know it's stupid, but this camera is shooting as well. So you can shoot with this camera, you know, and you can hear this to people here, but it's not affecting everybody because I did not bother to work on it too much. And this is the 3D model I made, 3D tree here, and hopefully you liked it. Thank you, and thank you very much for Mr. Brian McGinley for teaching us 3JS and teaching us the basic mathematics we can use on the graphics. Yes, this is the multiplayer mode. I uploaded on the Heroku.com online, and you can use the link to play it. This has the car moving around and can be shooting the object like a ball or something as a bullet. It has a chat window here. You can send and receive the chat messages. If you can just copy and paste this thing in anywhere in any computer around the world, because it's on cloud, so it can be instantiated. If you just upload it, you will see that another object is initiated here, and in the bot window you can send each other messages as well. If you see here, the message is gone. If I move this thing a little bit away, if you see here, the message is here as well. And if I do from here, this one to the other one, it will send the message. You see it's up here, and if I'll show you, look, it is visible here as well. Another part, I will show you a little bit about the coding of that. They can shoot because I cannot control both from the same computer, because has to be two computers to play this game, because only one computer is assigned to each player at the moment. Thank you.